If I had this book when I was 6, I wouldn't have had to unlearn so many things as an adult. Growing up, I didn't know how to express my feelings. I thought staying quiet meant being strong. No one really teaches how to talk about excitement or sadness. Kids just copy what they see. Most adults struggle because they were never really taught how to express emotions when they were younger. That's why I created Color Me Happy, my second but first ever children's book that uses color psychology to help kids explore their feelings one crayon at a time. And guess what? I launched it on the 14th of May 2025 and I have already sold 50 plus copies globally. Whether you are in the US, UK, Canada or anywhere in the world, you can get your copy now on Amazon. And hey, if you are in India, I am taking orders personally. Just comment link and I will DM you the book link. It's high time that we raise kids that do not just look strong but also feel strong.